today's video we're going to be doing a Windows XP installation VirtualBox, basically a step-to-step tutorial on how to do it. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first you want to do is open VirtualBox, I guess, and then when it starts, sorry it's laggy, we're going to click on the new, and then it's laggy. Okay, and we're going to type Windows XP so it knows what type we're doing. Make sure it's showing Windows XP and Microsoft Windows here. Go next, and then just do any machine size, but for this one we're going to do 512 megs because that's going to be most optimal, I guess. And then just go with any one here. And yeah, so now you have the hard disk. And so now the machine is ready to go. What you need to do is you need to go to settings first. I shouldn't lower the amount of RAM, I don't really care because now my system's getting really slow. It's trying to load RAM. I'm going to disable this. And then, what do you call it? I'm going to lower down that RAM to 256 megs, that should be fine. So what you want to do next is go to storage. Hit the CD button because you're going to be installing it from the CD. Hit this and then choose your OS. And since I've plugged it in before, it's right here. So what I want to do is you want to click OK. And then what you want to do is you want to hit the start button, which will start your virtual machine. Okay, now it's going to start. It's just taking a while because my machine's really slow. If you want to sponsor me, you can help by sending money to my PayPal because, well, I'm broke. So of course it's going to start I'm going to XD so you can see better. So of course it's going to go into this. This will be normal. This is not some like kind of blue screeny thingy. And you will use this to install Windows XP. And yeah. So yeah, now it's loading everything, and of course it's very slow because I'm recording, but yeah, it should load in a little, so let's just wait. Okay, now it's gonna start. It's of course it's starting Windows setup, not actual Windows. I hope you realize that. Okay, that isn't actually true. Just don't believe that. What? Okay, now that makes more sense. Okay, so you're gonna click enter there, and then you're gonna look at the thing. So of course page down was a thing back then. Luckily I have page down on this. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna hit F8, and then what you want to do is it's gonna tell you where you want to install Windows XP. So I'm just gonna hit enter on this, and we're gonna format it. So I'm just gonna do the NTFS quick. Okay. Even though it's not really going to be quick, I know that for sure. But yeah, that's not actually that bad to do it quick. I'd rather do it quick than actually go through the full format process. Full format process is if the drive is damaged, but this is fresh, so of course it can't be damaged. Okay. Now it's going to copy all the files, and this is going to take a while maybe, so I'm just going to stop the video here and then edit it after. Okay, now it's getting ready to actually start now, so let's just wait until it initializes my configuration, whatever that means, and now it's just going to reboot. So I'm just going to hit enter to force reboot it, and here goes. Don't hit any key because that's just going to be done, and let it boot into its thing. So yeah, okay, now it's starting Windows XP for the first time. As you can see, it's pretty laggy because of my stupid configuration, but yeah, now it's going faster. Let's go. Okay, now it's showing the classical Windows XP thing, and now it's going to start downloading some stuff. And of course it says 39 minutes. Annoying. Anyways, so now what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to turn off the recording, and then I'll see you guys when it's set up. Okay? Okay, now it's gotten to this other part, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click next, and it's gonna ask for my full name. So I'm just gonna type Ibrahim, and then go like like baklava. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is here we're gonna have to make a new document, because I copied the product key. And we're gonna open that document, and we're gonna paste that product key there. Aha. And then we're gonna copy it into here. I'm pretty sure I can just, what the, oh, that's not how it goes. Now it's 3F, 47B19. 2487G. And then last but not least, RPWBY. And we're gonna try the product key. Okay. Now, wow. What a weird, no, I'm not gonna type an administrator password. And, why? Yeah, it's so slow, guys. Okay, cancel, and of course it's gonna do this. I'm just going to set any time, and then now it's going to finish the next, so, okay, I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, another thing, so it's gonna ask me about the networking settings, and I'm just click next here, and it's gonna ask me about this, and I'm just gonna click work group, and now it's going to finish. Okay, now the computer has restarted, and now it's going to get into the thing, so let's see what happens after Windows XP starts. Okay. Now it's showing the Windows XP start screen. Now it's booting. I'm gonna move this back here so it's the center of the show. And oh, look at that. It's reporting something. Okay, so now it's booting up, and I'm pretty sure there's a video on this, but I'm gonna skip the video because it's not gonna be entertaining to you guys. Please wait. Sure. Okay. That's fine. So now it's enlarged because that's what Windows XP does during startup. So yeah, now it's gonna start booting. It's like bulging. Okay, come on. Man, this is taking a long time. I wish I had a way to upgrade my stuff, but I don't, so yeah. Okay, so now it should play that video, and it looks like it is playing the video. And okay, so now it says thank you for purchasing. Let's spend a few minutes setting up your computer, so I'm just gonna click next. And of course the wizard will be there, but I'm going to skip out on using the wizard. Like, just hit the next button. Yeah, this is ridiculous. So now it's just gonna go welcome, and then it's gonna start up. Just give it a few moments. Oh my god. I can't even. This is unbelievable. Like, seriously. Finally. Now it's starting. Okay, now it's about to start, and then now it's going to go to the desktop, so we're just gonna wait for that to happen. And now it's moving to the desktop finally. Okay guys, if you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time when I make another video, if I can.